and welcome to DIY CP. Today we're going to be making a mortar gun, a pointing gun for brickwork. We have a few here. These range from 20 to 30 pound, but today we're going to be making our very own one. Very simple. Most people in their households have got a mastic gun, so we're going to make one out of this. Very simple, guys. So let's get onto the workbench and we'll show you how it's done, and we'll demonstrate just to show you how easy it is to use. Right, so here we have our ordinary mastic gun. First of all, what we need to do is hopefully you've got one with a nut on. So we're going to take that nut off. So our nut is off. Next step, we're going to need an old spent silicone mastic, and what we need to do is obviously get the rest of the stuff out and take the bung out. What you would need is a rod of some sort. I'm going to insert it in this end and we're going to push the bung out like so, and we're going to clean it all up inside with towel. So with the bung, we're going to drill a small little hole in the bottom. Then what we're going to do is put our plunger back on. We're going to stick our plastic insert that was in the original silicone gun. Like so. And now all we need to do is put our nut back on. So our nut is back on, and here we have a clean tube. A nozzle. We're going to cut it to the size that we're going to need. So in this case we've got about a 10mm hole in here. You may need to cut a little bit off the tube to allow this to go inside. Right, let's go and see how it works, shall we? Right, so we're just going to mix our cement up. Want to get it at a nice consistency. And now it's time to fill our tube up. Right, so now we have our tube filled up. We'll put it in our gun, our homemade gun where we've saved 20-30 pound. So there she is, and now she's ready to go. Right, let's go and demonstrate that on some bricks. I think that works pretty well. Just saved myself 20-30 quid. Nice. Well, thank you very much for watching. Do like and subscribe, leave some comments down below. and we'll come up with some more ingenious ideas of how to save money. So I hope everyone has learned a little something today, and do try it out before you go the option of spending 20-30 quid. So take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.